Hi everyone, welcome back to another week of Coding Club. I'm Miss Susan from the Free Library of Northampton Township. Today we're going to be talking about another programming language. It's called Python. This is a more general purpose, more sophisticated program. A lot of computer programmers will use Python. It's something that's a little more intensive, and anyone looking to go into the computer science, mathematical fields might need to learn how to code with Python. So we're going to give it a try today. Again, we're going to be using that Trinket website, but to do that we're going to use one of my shortcuts. So if you can go to your browser and type in jump2.cc/python/new, we're going to start. Here's the Trinket will be on the left. We'll have all of the coding, and on the right will show what the coding will look like as a website, or as the result of the website. So we're going to start. It's going to look a little different than HTML. So it's going to be print hello, and then I'm going to actually click on run. And here you'll see hello. So all we need here, we don't need tags, but we're going to tell the computer to print, and inside those parentheses, inside the single quotation marks, are going to tell you what we are printing, or what we're going to be showing on our program. So print Python is fun, and run again. Okay. So that's easy enough to do. It's not going to be as pretty as HTML, it doesn't have as many features in this Trinket, but let's see. Let's try to draw a dog. Print here is a picture of a dog. Okay. Oops, 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. And let's run it. See, there's my picture of my dog. And just by using print commands, that's what I can do to draw a picture. Pretty cute, right? But Python can do a lot else. It can do some mathematical things. So you can say print, instead of text, you can print a mathematical formula for you. It can take 220 minus 1980 and calculate it and print 40 for you. So it can do a lot more. It can do mathematical equations. And it can also do variables. The variable born will be an input, meaning that I want the user to input the variable born, and then print how old we are in 2025. Okay. So what year was I born? I'm going to say 1980. Oops, not there, here. Okay, so what did I do wrong over here? It's not liking it. And this is why. Born is a number that you have to make into an integer. So you have to do this command in here. Make born into an integer. Let's see if that works. So born would be a number. When you put that number in, it's going to make it into a real number with lots and lots of zeros and lots of zeros before and after your decimal points. So you wanted to make it an integer. And if I make it an integer, then I can create a number subtracting one integer from another integer. So that's how it can be a little complicated, but make sure you have that line 13 in there, forcing it into an integer number. What else can Python do? Let's say one more. Let's say age is an input. What is your age? And make sure that age equals integer of age. And then if you were a dog, you would be oops, I'm having trouble with my, there it goes. And then we can print 7 times age. Let's see how that goes. What year was I born? 1980. Oops. What year were you born? 1980. 45. What is my age? Say I'm 45. If you were a dog, you would be 315. That's crazy. So you can play around with that and see what Python can do as a programming language. All right, next. Thank you very much for these 4 weeks of Coding Club. I hope to do it again in the spring, and if you have any ideas or some programs that you'd like to learn more about, just send me an email at elcos@buckslib.org. Have a great day.